Hi everybody and welcome back to a new vlog. This is a uni day in the life. If you're new to my channel, then hi. My name is Laura. I'm a 21-year-old German small town girl studying abroad in Aberdeen, Scotland. I'm a fourth year PR student. I'm currently in my final semester of uni, which is kind of crazy. So this is just a typical day in my life. So just going to classes, working on my dissertation, and also doing some things for my brand, for my community, Girls Study Abroad. And yeah, that's just really a typical day in my life. I also went out with my friends, and yeah, I think it's just a good insight into what, life abroad is really like. So if you are enjoying this video, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel because I love filming vlogs just like this one of my life abroad, traveling, and yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. Very bright, like our future, right guys? Hi everybody and welcome to another day in the life vlog. This is gonna be a uni day in the life. Today is Wednesday, the 11th of March. It is currently 11:47 and I just came back from uni. I had a class in the morning. I had business creativity, which is such a good module. It's all about like entrepreneurship and stuff. It's really cool. It's obviously so my vibe. So went to a class there. I just came back. I'm actually pretty hungry, so I'm gonna make lunch now. Make some food. Actually, what I'm gonna do first is I am gonna hop into my Facebook group and do a little live stream because in 1 week there's my Girls Study Abroad event here in Aberdeen, Scotland. So if you are in Scotland on the 18th of March, please, 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 you have to come to my event, Girls Study Abroad. It's gonna be an absolutely amazing afternoon just of girl talk and just empowering each other. We are gonna chat about your dreams and how you can achieve them. We're gonna have good snacks and good vibes, and it's just gonna be super fun. The tickets are linked in the description box. Make sure you grab yours because they're selling out fast, so I'm super excited. So I'm gonna hop into my Facebook group now, my Girls Study Abroad Facebook group, and do a little live stream. Then I'm gonna have lunch and then I'm gonna do yoga because I'm currently doing another 30-day yoga challenge. I've been on a yoga streak, like a daily yoga streak, since October 1st, which is crazy. And I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, I'm gonna do yoga and then I'm gonna head to the co-work because today is kind of uni day as well, in terms of the stuff I'm gonna do. I'm not just going to class, but I'm also gonna work on my dissertation. I also have to catch up with some lectures that I didn't go to last week. So today is just gonna be uni day. And yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along. So that is my little setup. I have like a little tripod for my phone, but I left it at my boyfriend's place. Well, it's not my phone. The tripod is his, but I left it at his place. So I'm just putting my phone here for the live stream. And yeah, I'm gonna go live now and talk about how to connect with like-minded people and make real friends when you study abroad. So if you haven't joined my Girls Study Abroad Facebook group and you're interested in studying abroad, then make sure you join. Link is down below in the description box. It's for free and there are over 1,000 members in there already, which is kind of crazy. My phone is on absolute fire. I did struggle a little bit in terms of lighting. And yeah, anyway, I am gonna make myself some food now because I am really hungry. I have like such a huge long watch later playlist and I usually catch up with it when I'm eating, so gonna catch up with it because it's super duper long.
It's a little pink one, which is such a mood.
Hey my friends, welcome to 30 Days of Yoga with Adrienne. I'm Adrienne and today is day 11.
Just finished my yoga practice. It was a really good one. Yoga is just very, 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 very important to me. If I can only do one habit every day, it would be yoga, because yoga for me is obviously movement, but it's also meditation, but it's also mindset work. It's really kind of dealing with my thoughts, learning to deal with my thoughts. And those 30-day yoga challenges by Yoga with Adrienne are just perfect because they do kind of make you take the time, because if I don't take the time for it, I won't have the time. But yoga for me is just a habit that grounds me, and definitely without yoga I would go absolutely insane, because my life is just constant change, constant uncertainty, constant stepping outside my comfort zone, especially now that I'm graduating in summer and everything is going to change after that. So I'm currently doing so many preparations for that. Yoga just always keeps me grounded, and yoga is just my absolute lifesaver. So if you've never tried yoga and you deal with overwhelm, stress, anxiety, honestly, I mean, anyone would benefit from yoga. I want to do my yoga teacher training as well. I was planning to do it this year, but it will probably be next year, beginning of next year, because I do want to bring yoga to more people, because yoga just has absolutely healed and changed my life. So I want to bring it to more people. I am rambling, so I am gonna get ready now and head to the co-work. I'm actually gonna put on some nicer clothes, maybe put on some dark lipstick or something, because after the co-work I'm gonna go out with my friends. I don't know yet what we're gonna do. I hope we are not gonna go out to a club or something, or a bar, because I am not that kind of student. I am the kind of student that, you know, goes to bed at 9 p.m. Yeah, I'm not really into partying and stuff, but yeah, hope my friend and I were gonna just, you know, have some good food, good chats, but until then there's still some work to do, so let's go there, let's go to the co-work and let's get work done.
Such a nice day today. Super sunny. It's like around like 8 or 9 degrees. Such nice spring weather. Super excited. I also hope you can hear me, because #wind is just always there in Aberdeen, constantly, so yeah.
Focusing, oh yeah, focusing. I know I'm speaking to myself. Why should I speak to you? Filming that guy. Okay.
editing this vlog. It is now the next day and I totally forgot to film an outro as per usual with my vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this uni day in the life. I think it was a good mix of like university and then also working and having fun. So I really hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Comment down below what vlog you want to see next. Day in the life, week in the life, weekend in the life, anything you enjoy watching most. Let me know down below in the comments and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!